What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's episode I have a superb watch face design that you can check out for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 on the Google Play Store, and this one is present under the name of Urarity Terra Mechanica Metal. As you can see that the watch face has a really cool design with this animation going around in the background, and it mimics a real mechanical watch. Further, developer of this watch face has provided us a lot of coupon codes that you can check out once again via the link down in the description. We have just limited codes per country, so make sure you try your luck as soon as possible. Also, if you're facing some sort of problem installing this watch face from the Google Play Store, you can try to close all the apps in the background, or you can simply copy the link and paste it in a web browser. Then simply you can install this watch face in an easy way. Okay, now talking about the watch face design, first of all you can see that we have this beautiful animation in the background, and with all those rotating gears it mimics a real mechanical watch. Further, if you want to customize this watch face, you have to just single tap here in the center. Now you can see that the animation is changing in the background. So you can try out all different themes with this watch face. We have some simple ones, some lighter ones, some darker ones, and some have a lot of animation in the background like this one. So check it out from the Google Play Store. This one is a nice one from Urarity watch faces under the name of Urarity Terra Mechanica Metal. And we have some shortcuts with this watch face as well. For example, if I tap here, it will take me to my settings. If I tap here, it will take me to my calendar. In the same way, if I tap here at the top, it will take me to my alarm. And these are the shortcuts with this watch face. And now let's see its always on display mode. So guys, this is how the watch face will look like in its always on display mode, and here you can see that we have our watch hands in this lighter color while the background is present in this dark color. Plus no animation is present here in this always on display mode with this Terra Mechanica Metal watch face. And if I rotate the bezel, all the colors with this animation will be back. So check it out from the link down in the description. This one is a nice one that you should add in your collection. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.